Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're just watching for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button now. Yes, today I want to quickly give us 7 tips on how to make it in life. It's very simple. Number 1, learn a valuable skill. Yes, learn a valuable skill. Learning a valuable skill is one of the most important things you need to know. You must try to learn different skills, and you see yourself earning some certain income in the online space. Not only that, focus on your career. Yes, if you want to make it in life, you have to focus on your career. Yes, make it an ultimate goal, one of your priority if you want to succeed in life. Yes, not only that, cut your expenses down. Yes, for eliminate bad debt. And then number 5, start a side business. Yes, and invest in everything in assets is very key. And not only that, you need to sit back and let money work for you. That's just it. So if you want to make it in life, you need to know these 7 keys, and I believe this sounds so cool. Yes, if it is, kindly let me hear your yes using the comment section below. Get into this channel and see you in my next video.